If you don't like roller coasters but still ride them, then the Philippine stock market's latest dip might have caught your attention. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index, or PSEi, fell by 1.32%, while the broader all-shares index dropped by 0.89%. The market was hit by fears of a potential recession abroad and sell-offs at home. All sectors in the Philippine market were in the red, with services-focused firms taking the hardest hit at a 1.97% decline. International Container Terminal Services Inc. was the most actively traded stock, shedding 2.78% to P350 each. On the bright side, Telecom Inc. saw a 2.59% increase to P218 after announcing that AC Ventures Holdings Inc. will acquire an additional 8.5% stake in Mynt for P22, $9 billion. However, big names like Ayala Land, BDO Unibank, and Bank of the Philippine Islands all saw declines ranging from 1.7 to 2.48%. Even Jollibee Foods Corp wasn't spared, dropping 1.46% to P229.40. As we move forward, all eyes are on the release of July's non-farm payrolls, a crucial indicator for stock performance. Stay tuned for more updates.